Guys, Dan here from Decolo 3D Prints. Today we have an install and inspection of the Ridgid ProGear 2.0 battery mounts and installation. I'll begin by showing off the triple mount DeWalt battery mounts for this install video. However, the other manufacturer battery mounts will all have the same install steps. Here's an inspection of the battery holder and the mounting brackets. Please note, the lock for the non-extended Ridgid boxes are included. They're not necessary, but if the weight of your batteries are a concern, you're more than welcome to use them. For the first step, insert the left and right mounting brackets into their respective slots on the Ridgid box. Once fully seated, go ahead and use the included screws to securely mount them onto the box. Next, it helps if you partially insert the included M5 by 16 or M5 by 18 millimeter bolts, depending on the mounts for your order, into the front half, to make finding the holes on the box mounts easier when they stick out the back. Once they line up, go ahead and tighten them down via the embedded and pressed in M5 nut in the rear. As always, I advise tightening by hand so as not to strip the threads. As usual, give it a wiggle to make sure everything is tight, and go ahead and throw your batteries on. Thank you so much for watching to the end, and I hope this install video was useful for you. As always, for anything else, other cool tool ideas, or just generic input, feel free to comment below, like, subscribe, and keep on bringing your ideas to life.